Hello, my name is Kevin Flaute, and I am a design engineer that focuses on powertrain and EV components here at Nifco America. Today, we're going to talk about the laser welded spray bar. You can see on the screen the two products that Nifco America makes. These two products are inside a hybrid transmission. Their goal is to provide cooling and lubrication to the end windings of an electric motor. Traditionally, transmissions use a metal tube to provide the same quality product. However, this requires expensive machining that can cause metal contamination. These metal contaminants can potentially harm your electric motor. By switching to plastic injection molding, we're able to provide a high-quality product and meet stringent cleanliness specifications. Nifco was one of the first in the industry to provide a laser-welded tube inside a transmission. For more information, please do not hesitate to reach out to Nifco America or contact us through our website. Thank you.